Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Halo app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Halo app. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you